So now that you have mastered the Google Hangout and started working with Google Hangout notes to kind of take collective notes together, let's talk about how you're going to create your actual presentation. To create a presentation and be able to bring it inside of the Hangout, we're going to have to do that in Google Drive itself. So you can either open up a new tab or open up a new window. And I'm going to go ahead and go to drive.google.com. This is my Google Drive folder. Now that I'm in Google Drive, I'm going to go ahead and create my presentation. Underneath Drive, you'll see this Create button, and here's where we've got lots of different options. I'm going to go ahead and select Presentation. When I create this presentation, I'm going to have just one member, your group leader, do this presentation. Not everybody in the group has to create a presentation. I recommend that you choose a very simple theme, especially when we talk about Presentation Zen. And you're going to want to go ahead and save your presentation so that it's easy for you to find for the rest of the group. Now there are two ways that you can share this back with your group. One of these ways is to go under Share and then to add in all the individuals in your group that are going to need access. However, since you are already in a Hangout, let's go ahead and use the Hangout to be able to share. So now I'm going to go back into the Hangout, excuse me, and I'm going to see that I'm now going to be able to add a document, and it will allow me to add any document I already have in Google Drive. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on this sample SIP and hit select. Now, it's going to automatically ask me, do I want to share this document with my video call participants? And I do. I want all of them to be able to have access. I'm going ahead and make sure they all have edit access, and I will click give access. This automatically sets those sharing settings that I could have set in the document by itself. And that's the way we go ahead and get started with creating our document. The next video will talk to you about what are some of the best practices for creating a PowerPoint for your SIP project.